What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time stopping in, don't forget to go down below and hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And also make sure your post notifications are turned on so that way when I post a video, you guys don't miss it. Today we're going to go out and pick up our first Christmas tree together. And we're going to cut one down this year instead of going to one of those stands and picking one up. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys enjoyed the editing in the last video, because instead of putting music over some of the working parts, I let it just be us working on the truck, because some of you guys requested that. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys enjoyed that more than putting music over it. I'm going to hop in the truck real quick, start it up, and then turn it off to see if that belt got rid of the squeak, because I forgot to mention it in the last video. I didn't hear a squeak, did you?
I didn't hear a damn thing.
Alright, well I guess that answers the question then. The green belt does work, no squeak. So let's hop into today's video. Stay, sit, Octane, sit.
Nice, buddy.
It's a sad looking green.
Where? Oh,
That thing.
Look at this.
Well, that one just hasn't grown yet.
You're gonna have a good day.
Yeah, that one. Those are next year's. This one's nice too, but it's just too short. I mean, what the hell?
I don't know what that is.
What is that? Not what I want. And these all like this way are all really small.
Yeah. Chop it down.
Easy enough.
That was way too easy.
I know.
Hell yeah.
That's what I'd like to.
First Christmas tree.
Yeah, this is it because unfortunately there was kind of a little late to the party here.
Yeah.
But hey, we got the best one I could find.
This exposure would probably fuck off.
This will do. Hang on a second. That's ridiculous. Exactly what we were going for.
Christmas, and in case you did.
So it's looking good so far, but it's missing something. Alright, now that's better, but I still feel like we're missing one more thing. So let's try this one more time. Alright, that's a lot better. Not the perfect tree, but again, like we said earlier, we kind of got our tree a little late this year because of us moving and everything. But this tree kind of resembles 2020. From afar, it looks great, and it started off great. Everything started off great. And the more you look at it, I mean, the more it's got some character to it, is what we're gonna call it, character. But it's a great looking tree, and we put it together. She's behind the camera right now, but yeah. She ain't perfect, but god damn it, she looks good.
God damn it, Hannah. Yeah.
Old Betsy, aka Hannah, over here in the
Hannah.
shot.
Fat Hannah.
Fat Hannah. Thick Hannah.
Fat Hannah.
Fat Hannah. Oh, does Fat Hannah make you feel better?
Yeah.
Okay, Fat Hannah. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it on today's video. We successfully went out and got our first Christmas tree together. First time cutting a tree down, so that was a good experience. Let us know in the comment down below if you guys cut your tree down or if you go get it from one of those like stand things on the side of the road. Because I remember growing up, we used to get ours from the Boy Scouts, but it was definitely a lot funner and a cool experience. And it's kind of like a little tradition that we have started now to go get our first, to go get a Christmas tree. God, I can't speak.
Get it together.
But if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, go down below and hit that subscribe button. Like I said in the beginning of this video, I was gonna give you guys an update on everything. We just moved. It's now been about 2 weeks. We're still getting things together. We're gonna be where we're at for about 6 to 8 months, possibly a year. I'm not sure yet. And then after that, we're gonna be buying a home, our first home. And then I'm planning on building a shop on that somewhere where I can do more content and more videos for you guys. There's a lot of stuff planned for this. I have boxes of stuff that still has to be unpacked as far as parts go, so there's a lot of content to come. The only problem I'm facing now is the light. You can see like the exposure, even with auto focus on and the auto, all the lighting stuff. I don't know the exact terminology of it. But even with all those settings on, you still get a little bit of overexposure from all the lighting. So I have like a little pop-up canopy I'm gonna start putting up around the truck when we're working underneath the hood and stuff. So that way, hopefully it'll help with the light. And also, we're also fighting with time, with daylight here because it starts getting dark around 4:30. So realistically, when I go in for work, I have about an hour to film a video. So at that rate, it takes me like 3 days to put out one video. But I'm gonna do as much as I can. We're gonna have to be dealing with background noise, but hey, it is what it is. At least I'm able to put out content. I'm back driving this thing again. It was parked for a while because situation with my ex-girlfriend, which I'm not gonna go too crazy into, but I'm back driving it now. I have it in my possession every single day. I come out in the morning, I get to see it before I go to work, which is awesome. And I'm gonna be putting out a lot of videos like I said before. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, go down below, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.
Look at this guy in his natural awkward habitat. Just sits here, staring at nothing.
Hey, she is something. Don't talk about her like that.
Is this still recording?
Yeah.
Good night.
US Cellular now.
What?
Hang on, it's gonna be part of the thing. Can you give me a second?